Good morning, everyone. It's Charlene. How are you? It's almost time for 4th of July. We don't do a lot, but we're going to definitely cook out. So I thought it would be fun to give my family a little bit of 4th of July decor. So I'm reusing this little package that I made out of the butcher block paper, and I used it to dry some mint. So I'm reusing that. And my auntie gave me all of this ribbon and lace and bows and things. Her sister passed, rest her soul, and she was a crafter. And I told my auntie, don't give those things away. Don't throw it away. Send them to me. And I'm very grateful that she did. And I love having a piece of my auntie's family in my home, and the items are being reused by someone who loves them. So I'm simply going to add some ribbon to this packet. And this is going to be a very adorable and affordable napkin holder. And I must say, this entire video is mostly Dollar Tree items. You don't have to break the bank to be festive, right? Go to Dollar Tree and pick up a few things. Use what you have as much as you can. And next, in the spirit of using what I have, I took a strip of burlap and I'm going to make a quick utensil holder. You just have to measure the size of the forks you're using or the spoons you're using. And I hot glued the sides, and I added some of that lace ribbon that my auntie gave me. And I think it's so charming. So I took the little cupcake stand and some old candles and that Dollar Tree tray that I made a few videos ago, and I'm just going to create a little centerpiece. I'm going to paint some things, leave some things as they are, and add some flowers. Reuse what you have, repurpose always. Next, I'm taking party favor boxes from Dollar Tree that I already had, and I'm going to just cut up some Dollar Tree tissue paper, and that's going to be just a very cute little festive paper filler centerpiece holder kind of idea, sort of. This is where I cheat. I was at work one day and one of the officers was moving out and they set two of these barrels outside and I wanted them because they said everything is, free. So I took them and then one of the other people, workers came and said, "Oh, I need those back. Those are for someone." I was like, "Oh, okay, I understand." The lady didn't know that they were already reserved when she gave them to me. So the next day when I come into work, they're there. Apparently the lady never picked them up. So I have these adorable little barrels. I'm painting them white actually because they're going outside in my garden. Y'all know I've been trying to garden. I've been failing miserably, but I will not give up. But for this 4th of July video, I'm going to paint it and add these very adorable stars. This is a star banner I got from Dollar Tree. It's like 1,000,000 of them, and you can take them off and do some fun things with them. And of course, I just hot glued it so I can take them off when it's not 4th of July. Now, I know this is not a Dollar Tree item, but Dollar Tree does have barrel looking plastic bins that you can do this same exact treatment with. And I just took a liner, trash bag liner, lined it, and that's going to hold our water. These are all the items I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and it was very affordable. So I'm showing you basically what I'm using for my table setting. Oh my God, aren't those little hen rooster chickens so adorable? This is how you know I'm not really country. I can't ever remember if this is a hen, a chicken, a rooster. Is that all the same thing? I don't know. I need to be educated. Anyway, I think I'm a country girl, but I'm not. But I did spend a lot of time in the country, so I have it kind of by osmosis. Anyway, we love hot dogs, y'all. We really do. In all of our cookouts, barbecues, or whatever, we start with hot dogs as appetizers. So when I saw these cute little hot dog holders, I had to get them. We are going to make a fun drink. I'm going to be painting something in my backyard that you want to come back for. I have a cute craft coming up, and I have a very adorable way to memorialize your loved ones for this holiday, especially if they served in the military and things like that. What else? Oh, and I probably will share like our simple menu and show you how I set up my table. So come back, okay? It's gonna be cute, I promise. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're doing anything for the 4th of July. Let me know if you are going to be creating something special for the 4th of July. And I want to know, is it a hen, a chicken, or a rooster? Comment below and tell me. Educate me, please. Y'all have a great day. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you think it's interesting, don't forget to share.
Here comes that Sunday vibe again.